Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about polynomials, chapter 2 of class 9th mathematics. What is polynomials? An algebraic expressions which is in the form of px is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 up to plus anx to the power n is called polynomial of degree n. So firstly we will know about polynomials and algebraic expressions. And algebraic expressions which is in the form of px is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dot 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 plus an x to the power n, where an is not equal to 0 is called polynomial of degree n. Where a naught, a1, a2 dot 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 up to an is constant. What type of constant? A real number. And student, already we have discussed in chapter first number system. Already you know that real number is a mixture of rational and irrational number. Real number may be rational and may be irrational and may be mixture of rational and irrational. And here x square, x cube dot 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 up to x to the power n is variable here. And student, already you know that constant having fixed point and the value of variable will be changed according to the condition of the question. So that this is variable, and px is called polynomial in x. If x is variable here, then you can write px. If y is variable here, then you can write py. Z is variable here, then you can write pz. So only one variable is to be used in class 9th for polynomial. And main thing is that, what is this? This is constant term. There is no variable here. It means a polynomial having degree 0, that is called constant polynomial. a1x means degree is 1, power is 1. a1x, x square quadratic, x cube cubic dot 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 up to x to the power n of degree n. Main important thing is that, student, what is the main identity of polynomial? It means the degree of polynomial never be in negative and fractional form. The main thing is that you can write in note or remark the degree or the power or degree of polynomial never be never be negative and fractional form. Fractional form. Example of polynomial. Suppose this is px is equal to ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. Because जब student, if a will be 0 then x also will be 0, so this is not a linear polynomial, है ना. तो this is the necessary and bounded condition कि highest degree of polynomial, coefficient of highest degree of polynomial never be 0. So this is the example of polynomial, and you can take other example 2x square plus 3x plus 5. This is also a polynomial, and you can write Rx is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and where a is not equal to 0. And here a is not equal to 0, it means coefficient of higher degree is n here, never be 0. Next student, main thing is that the power or degree of polynomial never be in negative and fractional form. Student, next question is that what is the degree of polynomial? So the highest power of the variable is called degree of the polynomial. So next thing is that degree of a polynomial the next we will discuss about degree of a polynomial. Already you know that polynomial is denoted by a poly. So polynomial is what? Highest degree of variable is called, या highest power, you can say that power or degree or exponent or indices, so you can use any word related to that. For power same thing, and degree, exponent, indices, etc. So highest degree, highest power of variable is called degree of a polynomial. Like that, if you want to take example, suppose 2x square minus 5x plus 6, and this is denoted by fx. You can write fx or px. Student, the power of highest power is 2 here, highest power of variable is 2 here, so that polynomial having degree 2. So highest power is 2, since highest power of variable is 2, so that this is quadratic polynomial. इट मीन्स जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री होगी, जो हाईएस्ट पावर होगा, वही पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री होगी. नेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. स्टूडेंट, मेनली पॉलिनोमियल्स of two types. First, according to degree, we can split according to degree. according to degree, and next according to term, according to term. According to degree, first constant polynomial, second linear polynomial, third is quadratic polynomial, and fourth is cubic polynomial, and fifth is biquadratic polynomial, and zero polynomial also. Resultant is zero, that is called zero polynomial. And according to term, first monomial, and second binomial, and third one trinomial. Similarly, fourth term is tetranomial, 5 is pentanomial, 6 is hexanomial, 7th is heptanomial, 8 is octanomial, 9 is nonomial, and 10 is decamial, and only 3 is in course. So first question is that what is the constant polynomial? A polynomial having degree 0, that is called constant polynomial, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Linear polynomial, a polynomial having degree 1, that is called linear polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial, a polynomial having degree 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, already from the name it is clear that power 3. A polynomial having degree 3, that is called cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, a polynomial having degree 4, that is called biquadratic polynomial. And zero polynomial, resultant is 0, that is called zero polynomial. Monomial having one term, that is called monomial, having two term, that is called binomial, and having three term, that is called trinomial. So student, firstly we will discuss about constant polynomial. What is the constant polynomial? Let us try to know what is the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. A polynomial having degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Like that, example, suppose 1, 2, 3 ... This is constant polynomial. Suppose it means in this polynomial, degree of polynomial means the degree of variable should be 0. Here only constant term is present, that is called constant polynomial. Already we have discussed about definition of polynomial, like that px is equal to a naught. So here student, degree is what? H to the power 0. That is called constant polynomial. So degree is what? 0. It means constant. Constant means no variable here. That is called constant polynomial. Next, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Standard form of linear polynomial. Px is equal to ax plus b. Where a is not equal to 0. It means what? What is a? A is the coefficient of x here. It means coefficient of x never be 0. If coefficient of x is 0, also x will be 0. It is not a linear polynomial. So जिस पॉलिनोमियल की हम बात कर रहे हैं, उस पॉलिनोमियल की जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री है, उसके जो कोफिशिएंट है वो 0 नहीं हो सकते. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. यू कैन राइट different example. Suppose qx is equal to 3x plus 5. Degree is what? 1. Degree 1, because the power of x is 1, so that degree is 1. Highest power of variable is called degree. You can write Rx is equal to root 5x minus root 2. Root 5 and root 2 are real number, and already we have told about definition of polynomial is what? A0, A1, A2 are constant, and constant is what? Real number. Coefficient of x never be 0. So this is the linear polynomial. And important thing is that when we draw the graph of linear polynomial, then we obtain the straight line. Then we obtain a straight line. It means what? स्टूडेंट, जब हम इसका ग्राफ ड्रा करते हैं लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का, तो हमको एक स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलती है. आइए लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. Graphical representation of linear polynomial. What is the graphical representation of linear polynomial? Suppose px is equal to 2x plus 5. Suppose. So firstly we draw a table x, and this is px. Firstly we take the value of x should be 0, plus 1, minus 1. If we take x is equal to 0, then we take px is equal to 5. If we take 1, this is 7. If we take 2, this is 9. If we take minus 1, this is 3. If we take minus 2, what we get? 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 plus 5, this is 1. So if you want to draw the graph, what we get, let's see. This is x and x naught. This is px or y, and this is y naught, and this is origin 0 comma 0. Already you know that where x axis and y axis both intersect them, then we get a point of intersection, that is called origin. Suppose this point, if you draw, this is what, 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and also 9, and this is -1 -2 and so on, 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 and so on. If we take 0, then we get 5, 0 to 5. From 1 7, this is 7, and from 2 is 9 here, 2 is 9 here, and -1 is 3, -1 is 3, and -2 is -1. -1, if you draw the graph, draw straight line. So from this graph, it is clear that when you draw the graph of linear polynomial, then we get a straight line. Student, if you want to find the zeros of polynomial, so zeros of polynomial is that polynomial if we put the value of zeros, then we get whole polynomial will be 0. zeros का मतलब यही है कि जो 0 कर दे. तो सपोज करिए आप px की जगह क्या रख दें, px के प्लेस पर 0 रख दें, तो 0 is equal to 2x plus 5. It means what? -5 is equal to 2x. X is equal to -5 by 2 is the zeros of the polynomial. So zeros of polynomial is that value if we put in the polynomial, then polynomial becomes 0. If we get -5 by 2, this is 0. If we get the value of zeros in the polynomial, given polynomial, then polynomial will be 0. In next lecture, student, we will discuss about quadratic polynomial. Thank you, student.